Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And aren't you all happy it's Saturday once again? We're sitting here looking at the 1 hour chart, sitting just above 62 cents. And we made up all that lost ground from the big Binance news. Now we're kind of just going sideways once again. But people are expecting us to explode in price from here. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. XRP takes on SWIFT in the $300 trillion cross-border payments arena. A groundbreaking grayscale report reveals the imminent revolution, hinting at XRP's price going through the roof. To fully appreciate Ripple's impact, it's crucial to understand the vastness of the global payments market. The figure below provides insight into this extensive network, highlighting Ripple's potential to streamline and enhance global financial flows. Ripple's strategy is leveraging blockchain technology and XRP. It's designed to simplify this intricate web, ushering in a new era of efficient, cost-effective, and transparent cross-border money transfers. And that's where I always said XRP is going to get its price from first, cross-border payments. Ripple stealing more and more business away from SWIFT. And you know, a lot of countries are already breaking away from SWIFT. Look what's going on with the BRICS. They want an alternative. They're fed up with the SWIFT network. Brian Brooks, managing partner of Valor Capital Group. Take a listen to this.
So the point that I always try and tell people is, the biggest issue that I always try and focus on is cryptocurrencies are really not about currency. And the biggest misunderstanding of this whole discussion is the belief that if crypto is not doing a great job of replacing the US dollar, then crypto is failing in its mission. And what I think we'll talk about a little bit today is the idea that most of crypto is about replacing the centralized banking system with networks that allow user control versus bank CEO control. The crypto assets that have prices are more like internet stocks. It's more like you bet on Google if you think there's going to be high internet traffic, and you short Google if you think people are going to go back to the post office, right? But it's not that Ethereum or Ripple or anything else is trying to replace the US dollar. It's trying to replace a system of transmitting value. And we'll talk a lot more.
Ripple is looking to replace SWIFT. And I think Ripple has the potential to do that because we already see all the partnerships all around the world already. And this has been going on for a long period of time. And SWIFT is just an outdated network. That's why I got out of Link, because Link depends on SWIFT. And if Ripple is coming for SWIFT, I think Link doesn't really have a future if SWIFT doesn't have a future. And, you know, you could do whatever you want with the SWIFT network. It's still never going to be able to compete with Ripple and the on-demand liquidity of XRP. The 1% of this world are already set up with blockchain and digital infrastructure. They've admitted it. You know, the 1% out there, if you talk about the World Economic Forum, people right away say, well, I don't like the idea of Ripple being partnered with the World Economic Forum. If you talk about the IMF or the BIS, people look at those entities also as evil entities of the world. But you got to understand something. When you're buying XRP and you're holding XRP, you're holding what the other 1%, the elite, is looking at as the future. They know XRP is going to be moving the world's money. And that is why I will continue to always hold XRP. That's how we get rich in the future. Ripple is connected into Australia by flash payments, leveling the business playing field, which also connects through NPP, New Payments Platform, Australia, Mataco, plus Ripple, plus Australia. And that's, like I said, you know, Ripple is already in every single country. They're putting all the payment rails in place right now. And eventually they're going to do the same thing in the United States. Uphold CEO details Uphold's role as Ripple liquidity provider to process $5 billion in payments annually. And it looks like they're ready to start with that in December, next month. Like I said, by the end of the year, I think XRP is going to surpass $1. And I think 2024 is going to be absolutely huge. Ripple partner on a freak. Over 1,300 cross-border payment corridors, 180 connected mobile network operators, MTOs, and banks. Access to over 500 million wallets across Africa. 300,000 agents. 40-plus African markets. 12 offices. And it's country after country. And these are huge partnerships. These partnerships are also growing out and expanding almost on a daily basis. But people are so worried about the price of XRP today. I'm worried about where XRP is going to be a year from now. 2 years from now. In fact, I'm going to do another video today on XRP. I'm going to talk about options if you do cash out of XRP. If it's better to stay in XRP for the long term versus selling it and getting a pile of cash. Ripple and the secret partnership with the United Nations. In a document submitted to the UK government, Ripple writes, "We work with sustainability run securities exchange operated in partnership with the UN, which develops a carbon credit solution to issue NFTs, tokenized carbon credits." Like I said, first Ripple's going after cross-border payments. Later, they're going to get involved with tokenization on a much bigger level. Then it's going to be carbon credits. Beyond that, it's going to be AI. Other use cases are going to start to pop up as well. That's all going to add value to XRP. Ripple price rally incoming in December. So XRP year-end prediction. Analyst E-Grade Crypto forecast XRP could rise to above 71 cents by year-end. Previous mega pump theory. E-Grade Crypto suggested a potential mega pump for XRP, raising its value to around 85 cents. Other analysts view Dark Defender. Another analyst predicts an increase in XRP's price to between $1.05 and $1.88, citing a cup and handle pattern. It's in its daily time frame. I still think $1 plus by the end of December. But you know, everybody agrees on the same thing right now, that XRP is gonna rise in price. You know, people are still predicting a pullback all the way down to 40 cents still. I don't think we're gonna see that happen. If that was gonna happen, it was gonna happen when the Binance news hit the market. Breaking boundaries. Raiffeisen Bank set to unleash Bitcoin, Ripple, and Ethereum for retail traders. Raiffeisen Bank International, one of Austria's prominent banking institutions, is poised to enter the world of cryptocurrency by offering trading services to its retail customers, starting at the end of January 2024. This innovative venture will begin in Vienna, where the bank has its roots and currently serves a significant portion of Austria's population. We're going to see more and more of this happen in 2024. That's why I said 2024 looks like it's going to be a huge year for crypto. And we also got to look at the presidential election next year as well. Boom, the XRP market is poised to witness a new flood of liquidity amid multiple XRP ETPs, with one of these products set to hit the European market next month. So there's other ETPs that are already out there. So it's multiple ETPs that are already put in place for XRP. Now, once we start to get volume from that, that can really push the price of XRP. And again, that is set to start next month. Some of these ETPs, though, go back a couple years. One was back in 2019. AXRP is available to investors in the form of a regular stock on a traditional exchange. In addition, Germany-based crypto ETP issuer ETC Group also has its XRP investment product, the ETC Group Physical XRP, According to the ETC group, the product has 100% physical XRP backing. They have to hold this cryptocurrency as well, pushing the price higher. Rosie Rios, former U.S. Treasurer, now a board member of Ripple, states, "We're working on the future generation of currency." This video was from 2014. Take a listen.
The next gen $100 note is the last denomination of that particular family of notes. We're working on the future generation of currency. So that is my other job.
So that's her other job, and we know she works with Ripple. So did Ripple set out to replace SWIFT? And by doing that, are they accidentally replacing the US dollar as well? Will XRP become the next world's reserve currency? That's the big question. But that's the reason I'm never going to sell my XRP. Because I don't know where this crypto is going to be 2 years from now, 4 years from now, 6 years from now. I know it can lead to generational wealth, though. And that's why when I'm sitting here looking at the price at 62 cents, on one hand, it's frustrating because I'd like to see us blasting off already. But on the other hand, I know things take time to build out and grow. And it's happening in real time right now. So anytime you get frustrated with the price of XRP, you need to always remind yourself of the much bigger picture. And that's what I always try to do for you in my videos, by showing you the growth of Ripple, showing you the payment rails that are getting put in place in this country, in that country, because I know what this is going to lead to. Tokenization next year is absolutely going to explode. We are going to see a lot of cryptocurrencies pop off because of tokenization. Then beyond that, carbon credits. Hedera is another network that's well positioned around carbon credits. Ripple's going very big in that direction. They're already getting everything put in place for that. And that's going to be a massive market, trillions and trillions of dollars. This is just the beginning. I always told you, you're early, but you're very lucky. You could still buy XRP under $1. How much longer are you going to be able to do that? That's the big question. And that is why you should always be holding XRP. Stay patient, stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.